get, fam? Burritos?
You talking about burritos?
McChicken, McGriddle, you feel me? What you got, little cater? What you got, fool? McGriddle, sausage, egg, and cheese. Lord, thank you for the food that we see during Shop Body Town and Jesus, Lord, the Shop by Show 91. Amen, amen, amen. Okay, taste this.
Hey, y'all notice he said his prayer was a big bite out.
I get it about a 6. Yo, hold up, bro. Why you holding that bit like that, fam? Like that bitch a beef or something. You alright, bro?
Then his heart stopped beating. I bought him an 808. Message to the robbers: if you rob me, take the pain away. And I'ma leave them necklace if them niggas try to take a chain. They can come and take my fame. I ain't wrong, but I take the blame. Shawty do construction work. He just came and made it lame. Feds come and get me on my daughter. I won't say no name.
Ugly as fuck. Like a JP.
Arriba! Hola, papi! Hey, papi! Hey, papi! Oh, man. Back in that damn town. CP fam, man. Welcome to a new video. If y'all new to the channel and enjoying the content, make sure y'all please subscribe to that channel, man. Hey, we on the way to 200K, which I know that big goal is 1 million. But y'all please smash that like button. The more y'all smash the like button, the more my videos gets out, man. Oh, my God. Buddy got the street motorcycle. No. Me and my young boy. Hey, stop down the Jeep, bro. It's like it's about to rain. You can't f*** me. That bitch slowing you down? I need some new comp, bro. All I needed was a whole shot. These motherfuckers running. That bitch still running though. Hey, Kate about to win. Oh yeah. Ah, he's looking at him too. Come on, stop trying me, little shawty. Stop trying me. Come on, I won't hit. One more time, little Meek. I got it this time. Well, my shit did ball crazy.
I know, I saw it. It's doing the same shit mine doing.
Oh, your shit bogging?
Yeah, you gotta think. I've been riding my shit like it ain't getting enough gas.
Oh, it's that fucking water. Alright, bro. He getting fucked, son. Watch out, bro. You feel off?
I feel off.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I don't feel comfortable right now. I ain't gonna lie. For some weird reason, I feel like I was just gonna bust my shit right there, and I don't never feel like that.
Nah, I feel you.
Don't do nothing that's making you uncomfortable then, son.
But you know me. I probably do need to ride for a little minute, bro. I don't know. Maybe that fall f***ed me up, and I haven't touched the bike since.
Feel like something off on God. I don't even want to say nothing, though.
You feel off too?
Yeah, for sure. Buddy's saying that his homie flipped over in the side by side. I'm gonna go help him.
Y'all care to help?
Yeah. I could. Nah, boy.
One of these was.
Alright, we come over to jump and it slid sideways.
Yeah. Come on.
Appreciate you guys.
Oh God, bro, here we go. That's right, they be scaring a nigga, boy. Turn my damn gas off. Looking with that side by side. I could have sworn I turned my gas back on too. Oh, that boy one hand in that motherfucker. I'm gonna take that fast track. That been getting you warmed up though, ain't it?
I still feel rocky. Like I'm I fall so easy.
Yeah.
I don't know why I feel like that.
It's definitely raining though. If it stay like this, it might be cool.
about. His windshield wiper's going to be useless in a couple seconds.
What windshield wipers?
I mean, the windshield, not the roof. I don't got no wiper.
Oh, the goggles, yeah, for sure. Oh, shit. There you go, just pop that bit. It ain't gonna hurt like that.
There you go.
Yeah, little dink. Ah, my God. When them bitches hit me, bro, I feel like I'm getting beat as a little kid. Put these balls out here on purpose? Oh, that soggy shit. Oh shit! Don't do me like. Oh hell no! I gotta say, wait, gotta wait for Wayne now. Nobody taking the unnecessary dirt. Ooh, somebody shit busting. Somebody shit smoking. Oh yeah, I know where to go. Not the boy Wiener struggling. Oh no! Oh no! Come on, hold on, boy. What happened?
My gear shifter low.
Oh, whew.
Hit my whew.
My shit look wet. My lens.
Nah. My shit looks great.
Don't shift
Straight ass.
On God.
Oh, your shit out here recording, fool. No bullshit.
Say on God.
Nah.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Damn. Damn. You good? Big brother, always to the rescue, man. All right, bro. How long the trail is, bro? All right. Set my head right down. Just right to neutral.
All right, so latest data here within the last few hours and then throughout the rest of your day here, because we know rain's on the way.
You think it's gonna be ass out here?
I'd be careful, it's gonna be a little slick.
Oh my God. This shit ass! Get that, is you good? I ain't trying to play, bro. I ain't trying to play, bro. That boy got them street tires. Look at your front one, bro. Oh. Hey, that shit so soggy.
That shit 3 something, too.
Come on, we might go to the drag strip, bro. This shit too slick. But can't even see his kicker. Watch out, bro. Your shoulder straight?
Yeah, that fucking handlebar almost went up that nigga ass, bro.
Over his asshole. Dirt bike goes in the ass. Dirt bike goes in my ass.
You really wild fast. He tried to.
I know. I was about to sploosh your ass. What is it?
He tried to grip the front brake.
What that?
Nigga talking about sploosh. Hey, he talking about roost.
Oh, y'all trying to roost that boy. Yeah, bitch. Oh! Damn! Damn! Watch out, the Uzi. Hey, watch out, bro. That nigga trying to wait on me. That nigga trying to wait on me. That's your boot ass shit. Oh, hey, hey. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh. Not the boy just tagged me. Oh. Oh, God, got a Flintstone in it, look. Oh, oh. Watch out, bro, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, yeah. What's up, little buddy? What's up, buddy? You ain't gonna dab me up, gang? No? Okay. You got to raise them? That might have been slow as hell. Yeah, bitch. Hey, hey. Hey, that bitch slow as fuck, man. Yeah, yeah. This nigga so hell, bro. Well, I'm finna get K now. What is it? That boy slow. Yo, that's what I feel like in the other video right here.
I fuck with you, bro. I be watching your YouTube,
I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Nah, I got these street tires on this.
Oh, yeah. You came on the wrong day, my boy.
Oh, God. This is my little brother shit, though.
What's up, bro?
That's Leek, bro. I'm Leek. GT on YouTube.
Hey, whoever lose gotta get sprayed. Hey, he's like that. That boy Nick! That boy Nick! Hey, we about to hit that track, bro. Let's go to the track, bro.
I was in the track the whole time, didn't stop, bro.
You was in it while it was raining?
Ah, just go.
Oh, yeah. That shit ass.
I'm gonna go wash up and come back.
Wash up?
Yeah, wash out outside.
Go good. If you guys ever been to downtown, this right here used to be like a ramp. This is what the rumors say. They said a lot of people died on that shit right here. That's why they moved it way over here. Rest in peace of souls, if it is true. Rest in peace of ones who did die on that joint, man. Oh, he used to live out there, bitch? Ain't no. Oh shit! Boy, I thought it was a fucking snake, boy. Boy, I did that, boy. Boy, nigga just got a heart attack, boy. Come on, bro. I had that whole from this morning. What'd I do? My bad.
There's this kid that lives here. He rides one of those Cobra 50s. He's 6 years old. He jumps everything on that track except for 2 jumps. And that's because his bike ain't got enough ass to make it. That little boy, I told him one day.
He wasn't finna say boy. He was say that little fucker.
I told him one day, I said, hey man, I don't know how you walk around. And he's like, what are you talking about? I said, with the size of the balls
on God.
Boy, I don't know how you walk around.
You gotta check our channels out, bro.
What's y'all's name?
Leek GT, A Wayne, and Say YB.
Leek GT, Say AYB?
Say Dingaling. No, but say YB and then A Wayner.
Okay.
So it's A Wayne.
A Wayne.
A Wayne.
Yeah. I see you got that fresh cut though.
It ain't hard to find one of
them. Can we get a couple more laps in?
Go ahead, man.
GT fam, man, hey, it's been a long day. When I say we are exhausted, bro, my dog, locator. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Say YB, A Wayne, everything will be linked down below. All my socials is linked down below. It's also a money sign with a heart around it. If y'all want to donate, feel free to. I love y'all. We out of here.